Hello everyone, it's 5th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page, we have Delhi tightrope walk on Calcaris, deep concern, need for dialogue. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Delhi set to declare rabies as a notifiable disease. Again, very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have AQI turns very poor again after brief relief. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister India gearing up to host 2036 Olympics. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have opposition slams US's Venezuela operation. Congress concerned. Lefts calls for protest. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have before deaths a journey to top how Indore swept Swachh ranking year after year. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Odisha quarry where cave in killed workers was operating illegally. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Bangladesh is in Pakistan. It doesn't send terrorists. Dropping player appealing. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Mumbai cops SC ruling on missing kids cases and incomplete data create panic. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Tamil Nadu versus UP debt. The politics and fiscal arithmetic behind debate. Again, very important for political economy. Moving forward, we have America's return to interventionism. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have a digital hope and challenge. We can shape our AI future. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have mock house to practice man on the inside. Then we have united behind Maduro says Venezuela interim government. Again, very important. Then we have Celia Flores, the power broker captured alongside Maduro. Lastly, we have Trump post immigrant welfare race. India not among recipient nations. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have IPO boom likely to continue in 2026. Rupees 2.65 lakh crore fundraising in pipeline. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have IT results in December quarter may underline resilience, not recovery. Both these news are very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have lastly the health page where we have diabetes, BP, and fatty liver often go undetected. And then we have is Delhi's winter pollution breeding superbugs. Both these things are very important for health as well as environment perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.